Hello and welcome to Cogency. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom form to a scheduling page. First, let's go inside our custom forms module and see if we already have a custom form that we can use. We are going to use the basic project info form. Let's click inside and see what it contains. The focus of this form is to obtain some basic project information from the person who is wanting to schedule a meeting with us. Now that we have our custom form, let's go to the scheduling page we want to add this to. I'm going to click on my meeting types and click on the meeting type that I'm using to meet with my potential clients, James/project. This is the view that the client would see when they come to schedule with me. Let's click on the editor view to be able to customize the scheduling page. As you can see, the current scheduling flow consists of 3 pages: the calendar page, the user details page, and a thank you page. Let's add the custom form as a second step in this process. Let's add a new page by clicking at the Add Page button right above the Available Templates panel. And let's drag and drop it into the correct position. And let's click on Done. Let's give this page a title. And let's call it Basic Project Details. Now let's add the custom form to this page. And let's link this page to the actual custom form that we previously created. The basic project info. And while we're at it, let's customize the Save button to be more informative. Let's call it Proceed to Scheduling. All right, we're all done here in the editor. Let's go back to the preview and see what we have. Let's pretend we are a client who's trying to go through the process and schedule with us. I'm going to pick a time slot. The second page, as you can see, is the custom form. I'm going to go ahead and fill it out. No files to upload, otherwise the client could upload any logos or any other artwork just to show what they like or what they dislike, and they can pick what their budget is. Let's click on Proceed to Scheduling to get to the user details page. Let's fill this out. Okay, and let's try to schedule, and we're done. The meeting is scheduled. As you can see, the new flow is the calendar page, the custom forms page, user details page, and the thank you page. Thank you for watching.